Nuclear war would have happened if this one guy didn't say no. Recently, a retired CIA analyst alleged that during a secret emergency meeting, Trump literally tried to invoke nuclear codes on Iran, and General Don Kane, America's highest-ranking military officer, had to step in and stop him. And looking at reports on how Trump has been behaving, I think this is 100% true. Trump was recently kept out of the Situation Room during a rescue operation of 2 US F-15 airmen in Iran because he was throwing tantrums. Think about that. Supposedly the most powerful man on earth excluded from a live military operation because he was being childish. All of this leads to one thing: his dementia. Multiple psychiatrists and his own lawyers have said that he has dementia. He literally fell asleep during a cabinet meeting. He is unable to walk properly, his hands, neck bruised. Reports even claim that he was heard farting during a press conference. Now, Trump has always been a narcissist. Dementia amplifies that. More impulsive, more unhinged. And the proof is literally visible. On Easter Sunday, he posted, "Open the effing straight, you crazy bastards, or you'll be living in hell. Praise be to Allah." 2 days later, he posted, "A whole civilization will die tonight, never to be brought back again." Then he posted an AI image of himself being Jesus. This is supposed to be the most powerful man in the world, but he's become the biggest joke in the world. And when you give a joker with narcissism and dementia the power to end the world, it never ends well. And I hope just someone like Don Kane is always in the room. Otherwise, the world is one tweet away from collapse. And don't forget to follow this page for only the truth.